Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Pepe. So if you enjoy these Pepe updates, smash that like button as it does go a long way. But anyhow, if we're looking at the overall market, you're starting to see a little bit of a red across the board, a little bit of a handful, coins that are down a little bit. You're seeing a retracement. And again, just a quick reminder for everyone, if you're looking at it on the last 1 week, even over the last 2 to 3 weeks now, you are seeing the market picking up traction. So, it's normal to see a little bit of retracement, which is, of course, part of the game. Pepe is still up about 6.6% on the daily time frame. And if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, it's up a staggering 36.5%, which is absolutely amazing to see. Looking at the price of Pepe, it's currently sitting at 11.14, up 6.9% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 6% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 4.65 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 2.4 billion dollars. So what we're noticing is that the 24-hour trading volume for Pepe is picking up quite fast, and we're currently sitting at about 2.4 billion, which again isn't really a big surprise to me because, of course, Pepe retested some of the levels we haven't seen for about a few months. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the overall meme coin market, you are starting to see the meme coin market still up 5.6%, despite a little bit of a retracement within the crypto markets. Bitcoin is still looking absolutely amazing, but you could see, meme coins still, depending on which meme coin you're holding, you could see Shiba Inu as well as Pepe are up about 6.8% for Pepe and about 4.6% for Shiba Inu over the last 24 hours, which again is very interesting to see. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening and, of course, what we could be expecting. Before we do that, of course, we're going to take a look at what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance. So we know Bitcoin dominance was sitting at 57.35% yesterday, but you did see the dominance picking up a little bit. And of course, I think this is, the main catalyst behind some of these altcoins actually down today. As you can see, we're seeing a little bit of retracement within, some of these altcoins. But anyhow, if you're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin absolutely is looking amazing. We saw Bitcoin hitting $66,400, guys. You can't make this up. Bitcoin momentum is there for itself. Bitcoin is pushing towards new yearly highs, and I think we could be in for a new all-time high after we're able to clear out of this resistance that's coming, of course, which is around that 70K range. But it definitely, as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing. And Pepe, on the other hand, is reacting. It's continuing to react to this Bitcoin momentum despite, dominance picking up a little bit. And as mentioned, some coins are reacting to dominance picking up. But you're looking at Pepe, not being phased by that. And you're seeing Pepe continuously hitting some new, monthly highs. We actually saw Pepe reaching 11.56 cents just a few hours ago. And of course, we saw a little bit of resistance because, we saw a little bit of a rejection because, of course, Bitcoin also, went down after we went down up to 66,500. But nonetheless, you could see where the price of Pepe is currently sitting and where it's having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of, which is exactly this key resistance, which I spoke to you guys about. 1151 is also a resistance. You can see it was an all-time high back in May. It was actually an all-time high in May. And then, of course, once the second all-time high, was made back in May 29th, that exact same, all-time high from May 15th is playing as a level of support. And you can see as the price is trying to break towards the upside, it's facing that key resistance. And now if this resistance is able to break out, I do believe, Pepe has legs for itself to retest the 1262 zone. Of course, people want to see all-time highs. People want to see, a $10 billion market cap. But, it's a step-by-step process, right? It's not going to happen overnight. And I'm sure everyone knows this by now. But, there's a lot of people that come out and say, Pepe hasn't done anything. I'm just going to give a quick reminder to anyone that thinks that. Literally, if you picked up Pepe at the beginning of the year, so January 1st, you decided, here, let me just pick up some Pepe. And if you held it till now, you are up 732%. 732%. And that is amazing. Some people are going to come out and say, well, no, it's not up thousands of percent. No, that's a big gain. And, it's people that understand that obviously know about that, and the ones that are holding from that price point are the ones that are truly happy right now. But I do believe we will once again see that May retest, at this key resistance at the 1459, but you do need to see these resistances clearing out before we start heading to that. I think, when we get to that price point, we can start having the all-time high conversation. But right now, you do want to pay very close attention to Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoin is mega bullish right now. Of course, it's back above our confirmation level, which is at 64,000. I do believe Bitcoin will see more upside leading up, to the elections. And I do believe, Pepe will get benefited out of that. But of course, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. What are your projections regarding Pepe, and where do you see Pepe's price going at the end of the year of 2024? Love each and every one of you guys. If you have not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.